Welcome my friends. This session we are going to discuss about the solenoid valve and its function, how to solenoid valve working in the field, and how to dismantle the solenoid valve, what are all the components available inside the solenoid valve, how to mandle it, how to repair the solenoid valve. Everything we are going to discuss in this session. Before we enter in this topic, I would like to tell you some more points regarding our pneumatic jack and hydraulic jack. In pneumatic jack, we are using the air to compress or suction our jacks. In hydraulic, we are using the oil to operate the jack. Wherever the load is very high, we are using the hydraulic jacks. Wherever the load is very low and fast operation need, we are using the pneumatic jacks. So whatever it may be, the pneumatic or hydraulic jacks, our solenoid valve function is the vital role in the both components, pneumatic or hydraulic, whatever it may be, no problem. Now we are going to enter into our session, solenoid valve. What is solenoid valve? How it's working? Okay, now we are going, and now I would like to show the physical appearance of the solenoid valve. Okay, so please see my hands. In my hands I have a solenoid valve. This one is 220 volt two-way solenoid valve. So this is the physical appearance of the two-way solenoid valve. And this components is the main components of the solenoid valve. This name is called coil or solenoid. This body is the control cap. This part is the end cap. This one is center part is the valve body. So this one is our electrical terminal. With the use of this connector, we can connect like this. And this is our electrical cable coming line. We can give the supply 220 volt here because this coil operating only 220 volt. This is the physical appearance, and you can see here 3 pin available. So the center pin, this is the air intake one. This one is air exhaust, and here you see, here we have 2 pins. This pin is, one is operating as a normally open, another one is normally closed. This one is air outlet, this one going to operate our jacks. So now this is the main things. Now I dismantle this solenoid valve and we will see what are all the components inside available, how it's functioning. We will see now. And now I am going to dismantle this solenoid valve. Now we will remove this one. This one is our main coil. Here people using Allen key to remove this one. We can use Allen key set. Because we need to carefully dismantle, because if any problems in solenoid valve, we need to dismantle and we need to remove the seal kits, we need to repair this one. So dismantling, it's the important process. I am removing upside control cap. This control cap inside only have piston. Yeah, this is our main part. This one is our control cap. Okay, this body is our main body, this one is our valve body. Okay, now we will remove this end cap. We will see what is inside in that end cap. Because if you want to understand any components, we must see what are all the spare parts inside and how it's functioning. This one is very important things, because in engineering we must understand each function of all the components. Yeah, now I remove this one. Now we will see what is available inside. Yeah, this one is our solenoid valve end cap. This one is our end cap, and this is the end cap side. Oh, only one spring is available. Okay, this one is our center part. This one is our spool valve. This one only open and closing our air. Okay, this one is our main body components, and this is our main piston. This is our control cap. This one is our operator. We are putting the coil inside like this. So this one is very important. Now we will see the each components inside and what is available. Okay. Okay. So this is our components. I will show you one by one components and what is the function and how it's working and what material people using to manufacturing this one. We will see now. Okay, before I told you this one is our valve body, and this one, you see, this part is the air exhaust pass. We are using this silencer to reduce the air exhaust noisy. This one is our connector. So this is the connector we are using here to connect the air hose. Okay, so this part made up of thermoplastic. In engineering we called the thermoplastic because need to withstand more pressure and temperature. So this one's also known as acetyl polyoxymethylene, POM, we call it POM. Same this our end cap and control cap and piston made up of this host of form. In engineering we called the thermoplastic. With the thermoplastic we made these parts because need to withstand more pressure, and this component we see inside the valve body, spool valve. Okay, this component is a spool valve, and this one is main spring. This one is made up of special steel. This is placed in our end cap, and this one is our operator. Okay, this one is made up of brace pipe, that is stainless steel core, that one, and this one is our distance plate made up of plastic, and this one is the gasket, NBR, I think nitrile rubber. This one made up of rubber only. This one our piston. This one is very important to operate the spool valve. Okay, and you see what is inside our control cap. You can see the center of the portion. We have one normal hole, our air passing through this hole and pushing our piston inside. This is the major operations in our solenoid valve. Now, if any malfunction available in solenoid valve, we must check our coil first, because coil is important. We must check before we dismantle our valve. We need to check the coil is okay or not okay. If the coil is okay, no need to check this solenoid valve, because valve is okay. If the coil is okay, no any problem, that time also have some problem in that solenoid valve, we need to dismantle and we need to check our gaskets or any connector or any our operator any problem or not. We need to check that one. Okay, now what we do is, now we will see